Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. If you are new here, hello. How is everyone doing today? So as y'all can see from that title, today is Moving Vlog episode 4. My lucky number. I am hot, y'all. I'm tired. It's been a long day and I really don't want to be on camera looking like this. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone, everyone you guys know. And let's get into it. The last time I seen y'all, I was at Goodwill dropping off some donations. I went to Chipotle, got me a little bite to eat, and I pretty much ended the video. Okay, fast forward, today is Saturday yet again, so I haven't seen y'all for a whole week. Last Saturday, I was trying to get my son back to good health because he was sick. If y'all watched my previous video, you would have known that much. If you don't know that much, you can go ahead and watch that video and then come back to this video. Nonetheless, once I got him back to good health, then my daughter turns around and gets sick. So I had to do the same thing for her. Then I had to take off a day or two. I was just all over the place trying to figure out this, that, and the other. Let me tell y'all a quick story. Last month, I was told that my brakes needed to be fixed, right? They needed to be replaced. I didn't have the money for it. Of course, you know, I'm not gonna have the money for it because I'm currently in the process of moving. If y'all don't know, now you know. I'm trying to save up, right? I went to a few car places and they told me to do my brakes, it was around $500 to $600. And I'm thinking, no way, that can't be. Like, it just sounds insane. I'm so thankful that I got family that is mechanics. I just want to give another shout out to my brother because he came through yesterday. He saved me like $300 and he fixed my brakes right in the comfort of my own home. I'm just so thankful, like speechless. But why did the store clerk try to rip me off? He literally tried to sell me my rotors and my pads for like $350. Thank God my brother had already told me the price that it would be. When I told the store clerk that don't seem right, he was like, well, what are you talking about? I said, let me call my brother. Then he quickly was like, well, what did he say? I told him. He was like, oh, well, let me switch it for you. How does this sound? I'm like, that sounds better, but what's the change? He was like, because I'm trying to be nice. Like, don't try to play with me. Don't try to get over on me just because I'm a female. Why do places do that? Why are y'all trying to rip women off? I think it's just ridiculous nowadays. You can't even trust having your car fixed. They don't care about nothing at all. But enough of that, y'all. Let's get back to this video. I was supposed to record this video Sunday of last week, or at least by Monday. I needed some large boxes so I can package my shoes up. I actually got them on Saturday, about 10 large boxes. I'm gonna need at least 6 of them boxes. In today's video, we're gonna be packaging my shoes. I'm gonna hit up my closet. Let me just show y'all real quick. Let's go. Everything on the shelf, I could package up. That stuff, my purses, some paintings, all this stuff right here because I'm not wearing none of my tops except for like my work hoodie. And then this is my work jacket. My other work shirts are probably in the basket right there. Hopefully y'all can see me fully. If y'all can't, I tried. So here is the boxes and they are pretty big. I'm really happy about that. Now we're gonna see how many shoes we can fit inside the box. I'll put the shoes in the box and then I probably won't take the box up, but at least they'll be in the box. First and foremost, I know I'm not gonna wear none of my retro 1s or retro 3s. We can actually box up most of these. And I might have to rearrange them several times just to make sure I could fit as much shoes into the box as needed. See, that's only 4 stacked. I might have to rearrange these. All right, y'all, so we got this box done, this box done, and this box done. 12 shoes per box, 36 pairs of shoes. We still have 27 pairs of shoes stacked on the wall. And we got some shoes right here, some shoes in the shoe rack, shoes on my feet. Like, Lord, why did I buy all these shoes? So I got 5 boxes done, 60 pairs of shoes in total. We got 3 boxes left over because these boxes are larger than these and they would not fit evenly. I don't have my New Balance box because I threw it away a long time ago, which is okay because I will box those with these shoes on the rack, but I will put them in like a medium-sized box instead of a large box. And I'm glad only 12 pairs of shoes fit into these boxes because they are quite heavy now. With that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and move on to the kitchen. This is one of the cabinets that I'm about to clean out. This is the before. And this is the before for the second cabinet. These are all of my cups. I love to collect cups, and as you can see, I have a ton. I'm gonna keep every last one. And this is what the cabinet is looking like. Those are iced coffee glasses, so I got them up there just because I don't want them to break on the counter. Over here is a bunch of cups that we are no longer using, so we're gonna go ahead and toss all of these. In this cabinet, this is what's left. I do not know where the bowls for this set is, so I'm throwing away all of these lids. As y'all can see, I have a pink set and a white set, but I don't know where the bowls is for the white set. So I'm gonna have to throw away all of these lids because that's all I have left. But I have the pink set, and this is like the main bowl for the pink set to go inside. Here are all of these type of bowls for the white lids. This is why it's good to go through your cabinet and clean out things, because you'll be left with things that you don't even need. I'm done in the kitchen, and I'm gonna see if I could do one more box tonight. I was gonna do the hall closet and my purses, but I changed my mind because we know how indecisive I am. I think it's more reasonable to do my closet with my purses in it and let that be it. And then we'll tackle that hall closet another time. I think that should be like the last thing that I have to do, honestly, because the stuff in my bathroom is pretty much cleaning supply, and my organizers on top of the cabinet, or not the cabinet, on top of my counter. And that stuff I use on a daily, like I said, so that's why I'm not packing that right away. But the cleaning supplies I'm gonna continue to use to clean my bathroom, so that don't need to be packed up. And then it's just pretty much my hall closet with my hair care. And like I said, I'm trying to figure out exactly what I need to put in the box, what I'm not using and what I am using. But I have the kitchen squared away. I got my shoes and the main stuff in my room. I'm about to do my purses, and I did my hall closet in the living room. After 1 or 2 more videos, I will be done packing the upstairs. Whew, I'm hot, y'all. It's like 9:30. I started this around 7 p.m. Yeah, we're gonna wrap this up soon. So let's tackle this closet. Here is all of my bags. I have a ton. I'm gonna quickly go through some of them because I just want to show y'all some of the bags that I have. I got this little generic tote bag that is supposed to be like the Marc Jacobs bag. Super cute. Steve Madden book bag. Got the red Steve Madden purse. This is also Steve Madden. The straps are kind of big, so I don't even wear it. Juicy Couture lunch bag. This is like one of my everyday bags. Juicy Couture. I love black bags. This is like my big Steve Madden bag. I love this one because of the patch design on the front. Madden girl. Got this Nike bag when I worked at Nike. Little book bag. I had a cup to match this, but I think I threw that away. Got my Dooney and Burke red bag. A generic Dollar Tree bag. My daughter got me this cute Juicy Couture bag. I got the straps inside the bag. Mini book bag. This is Juicy Couture purple bag. True Religion. Got the black one on the door as well. Generic little pouch. I might actually toss this one out because what was I thinking? Minnie Mouse bag. Got this Steve Madden. Then we got the green one, but I kind of messed this one up. I got like the mini Steve Madden, but I broke the chain on it by accident. I might end up throwing this away, but it was so cute. This is the little mini wallet that came with that. The straps for all of my bags. Got the little passport. And this is a clear big bag. All right, you guys, so I am done packing my purses. As I am standing in my room, seeing all of these boxes, I'm like, yo, this is really real. We are moving next month. There's a lot of boxes. Like, we are truly moving, y'all. Literally, we got like 45 days and we are out of here. And yeah, so let me show you my closet. And then I'm gonna show y'all the closet that Ariana had cleaned out for me today. And then I'm gonna end this video because I'm tired. Here's the box with all of my purses. Don't care how it's looking. And this is what my closet is looking like now. Here's all of my cups that I put into the box. which was, you know, the ones that was on the counter. I put the bowls back into the cabinet because I'm pretty sure we're gonna still be using those. And I cleaned all of those cups off of the counter. This closet is the closet that Ariana had assigned to her. So now we just got this box, the Christmas tree and her Christmas tree, and the mop buckets. So now it's empty. If y'all don't know what this closet looked like beforehand, go back and watch my previous video. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video on these stairs. As y'all seen, I got a lot done today. I just got my hall closet left as far as packing. This is gonna be the end of this video. I'm hot and tired. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Just be on the lookout for the next video, which is moving vlog episode 5. What I've been packing is the main stuff that we aren't using. So that's what we have been packing around the house. The stuff that we are using, we're leaving until like the last week or so before we actually move out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in the next one.